Nursing home care. Do you meet the Texas state Medicaid eligibility requirements? Addressing nursing home care and Medicaid eligibility is a major concern for many families. As people age, the cost of long-term care can become overwhelming. Medicaid can help cover these costs, but understanding the eligibility requirements can be challenging. For those navigating these issues, working with a knowledgeable attorney can make the process easier and less stressful. Medicaid is a government program that provides free or low-cost health care to individuals with financial need. It is a crucial resource for elderly individuals and those with disabilities who require nursing home care. However, to qualify for Medicaid in Texas, applicants must meet specific financial and medical requirements. Medicaid eligibility requirements in Texas. Texas has strict criteria that applicants must meet to qualify for Medicaid. First, they must be residents of Texas and U.S. citizens or legal residents. Additionally, they must have a low income and limited assets. Applicants must also meet at least one of the following conditions: be 65 years or older, have a disability or a household member with a disability, be responsible for a minor, be blind, be pregnant. Income eligibility is another key factor. In 2025, the monthly income limit for an individual applicant is $2,901. If an applicant's income exceeds this limit, a Miller Trust, qualified income trust, can be used to redirect excess income to maintain eligibility. Asset limits are also in place, with individuals allowed up to $2,000 in countable assets and couples up to $3,000 if both spouses are applying. However, certain assets, like a primary home valued under $730,000, one vehicle, and prepaid funeral arrangements, are exempt. Medical necessity is another requirement. An applicant must demonstrate the need for a nursing facility level of care, PLLC, which is determined by a medical assessment. This evaluation ensures the applicant requires daily assistance with essential activities such as bathing, dressing, mobility, and medication management. How to qualify for Medicaid for nursing home care. To qualify for Medicaid in Texas, applicants must go through the application process with the Texas Health and Human Services Commission. They must submit documentation proving income, assets, identity, medical necessity, and Texas residency. Applications can be completed online, by mail, or in person. Texas also participates in the Medicaid Estate Recovery Program, MERP. This program allows the state to recover some Medicaid costs from the estate of a deceased recipient. Understanding these rules is essential for planning long-term care without jeopardizing assets. Consulting a lawyer can help applicants navigate these regulations and protect their assets. What happens to your assets if you enter a nursing home? A major concern for many individuals applying for Medicaid is what will happen to their assets if they enter a nursing home. Texas does not seize assets from applicants, but failing to meet Medicaid's income and asset limits can disqualify someone from receiving benefits. If an individual has assets that exceed the Medicaid limits, they may need to spend down or restructure them to comply with the eligibility rules. This process can involve strategies such as setting up a qualifying trust or converting countable assets into exempt ones. A knowledgeable Medicaid planning attorney can help individuals understand their options and implement asset protection strategies. What if you have too much income or too many assets? For individuals whose income or assets exceed Medicaid's limits, consulting with an attorney is essential. A lawyer can provide guidance on how to legally restructure assets to meet eligibility requirements. Options like a Miller Trust can help individuals manage income that exceeds the allowable limits. Additionally, asset protection planning can be used to help individuals retain property while still qualifying for Medicaid benefits. Planning ahead is the best way to secure nursing home care without unnecessary financial hardship. Working with a law firm that understands Medicaid regulations can provide peace of mind and ensure proper planning. If you need assistance with Medicaid eligibility and nursing home care planning, the law office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC can help. Call 281-214-0173 or visit our office at 4201 Farm to Market 1960 Road W Suite 360, Houston, Texas, 77068, United States.